Hey Suke, what's up? Spagoo. Couldn't find box number 4 or 15, so we went with double zeros. Reverse James Bond. Alright, let's see what you get. Nuge, Koivu, rookie jersey, Damian Brenner. Rene, John Tavares. Howard Chuck, Holtby. Looks like an auto. Pago, gold rookie auto. Crawford, Dion Phaneuf. Still no patch. Joe Pavelski, Jonas Hiller, Slava Voinov jersey. Still no patch. Alright, let's see. Got a dual jersey, Kari Lettinen and Jamie Benn. Let's hope the last pack is a good one. Oh, there's a patch. Alright. Coho. Redemption. Do a slow roll. Draft day marks. Eric Lindros. Nice. I want to say the veterans are out of like 10. Should be less than 35. Let me know if you want me to just send you the code. Alright, thanks Yusukes.